Okay, I'm recording the session. Okay, today we are going to do a simple matte painting. Okay, so with this simple matte painting, we are gonna work with multiple layer, and we are gonna learn how to convert a normal layer into a 3D layer. Okay, then after that, how to create depth in the scene. For example, a 3D depth. So till now, whatever we have done, it's all in two axes, x-axis, y-axis. X-axis is the width, y-axis is the height. Now there will be another axis called z-axis. That's for the depth. So let's see how to work with this. Okay. Okay, to work on this, first thing we should know what type of video means what are the specification of the video. Either we need a half HD video or full HD, which one? So first you just go to composition, new composition, and here, yeah, composition, new composition. Here, just take half HD because uh, when I render, I want my rendering to be faster so that I can show you the final output also. But you can, when you are working, you can work using full HD, HDV 1080p. Okay, so I'm going with half HD. Here duration 1 minute is there, let it be. Anyhow, once my work is done, once the composition is done, okay, I'll I can decide the timeline at any point of time. Okay, so just half HD and give okay. Okay, the comp is ready. The comp is ready. Okay, so now first thing, let me take a new solid. The solid is black solid, let it be over here. Okay, black solid is over here. Okay, what is the type of work which we are gonna do? Okay, so for this, uh, let's create a scenery, okay, or kind of ecosystem. Got it? Or let's create a kind of a haunted house. Either ways, okay. So I'm gonna take individual images, especially PNG images. I'm gonna take individual PNG images. You know PNG, right? PNG, it's a format which stores transparency value, right? Okay, I have informed earlier to see more and more matte painting videos, matte painting reference. Have you done that? How does matte painting will work? Okay, that's an exercise. You have to see multiple matte painting videos, because today one of the example which we are gonna do matte painting. It's a simple level of matte painting. Which first we are gonna do, because you guys have to be familiar with layer system, how to convert a 2D layer into 3D layer. So now what I'll do, just search images in Google. For example, I want. Okay, how do we search? Always, whenever you are creating an artwork, a composition, always three things are main. Three composition. One is background, midground, and foreground. What will be there in my background element? What are the background elements? What are the midground element and foreground? You can define, right, what is background, midground, and foreground. Okay, normally when you look outside, okay, right next to your place, your home, for the any ecosystem, the far area where the mountains, sky, those things will be in background. Midground, house or street, those are in midground. Foreground, which is right next to you. Okay, those things. So now let's create. I want a grass now. What I'll do, always, whatever, whenever you pick any images, go for PNG format for matte painting. Okay, one sec. Grass PNG. There are few websites also. Okay, so PNG tree is one of that. Pick images from there. Okay, PNG tree. So it's over here. So let's say tools. Okay, you can click on tools. Size also, you can go for large. When you go for large, high resolution, good images you will be getting. Good images. Okay, so I open this in one link, and I want this image as well. Okay, now this is here. See, the size is 3799 by 604. That's a good one. Okay, just click over there. It will go to pngio.com where you can download directly from there. Okay, okay, I can go with this. Is fine. So that's okay. Let me download this. Download this PNG. Okay, please wait while your link is generating. Let's wait for 5 seconds. It's done. So view PNG, it's smaller. So so grass. Just a minute. Okay, sorry, this is another platform. PNG all, here it is available. You can download directly from here. Download PNG. Yeah, that's a good site. Just back, whichever is, PNGs are required, just download from here at one shot. So if you want, you can have this one also. This is also good. Next, what I'll do, I'll just search sky. I search sky here. Or sky PNG. Okay, you can take this one. This is good. This is good. Save image. Okay, we got sky. And let's take mountain. Mountain. Mm, this type of mountains are also fine. So I'm taking this mountain. Okay, matte painting, I'm just collecting things. Okay, so we have mountain, grass, sky, and okay, so things are there. So let me take another mountain. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay. So I'll do one thing, trees. So let's have realistic trees. Okay, trees are over here. Okay, this is fine. This tree is nice. I'm downloading this. See, download right footage, then only, the output will be really good. I'll have this tree also. I think now trees are also fine. Now let's go to castle or some palace. Some good castle. Okay, this is fine. That's suitable. So especially this castle and all, we need high resolution images. It's also fine. Okay, fine. We have downloaded, I think, some of the best images. Now what I'll do, select all this. There are multiple options, either one image only we can import. Now I'm selecting everything. Just drag and drop in After Effects here, import folder, here, this part. Okay. So we have grass PNG. Let me import grass PNG first. Black solid somewhere in the behind, or else you can remove black solid for now. You import only grass. Now what I'll do, Control Alt F. When you do Control Alt F, okay, this grass, it will fit exactly on this particular image. Okay. Then mountain is there. I drag mountain on top of grass. Okay. So mountain is over here. So manually you scale this. Place mountain behind this. So mountain is over here. Even at the lower part, like this. Okay. I placed mountain here. Then let's see, do we have any other grass area? Okay. Now grass, one more grass, place it over here. Control Alt F, spread. Okay. Now, even this grass, it's like this. Okay. So it's blending. Now there's one more area, one more grass is there. If I place this here, okay, this doesn't look good. Okay, there are a lot of white areas are there. What we can do here, F4. If you press F4, blending modes are are visible here. Blending mode. Okay, just like in Photoshop, how blending mode will work. No, same way. Instead of normal, you can multiply or you can add. Let's say lighten screen. Overlay. It's not working out, but because white patches are there, let's see whether if you can retain or you can remove this. But as of now, up to here is fine. Now we need sky. Sky, bring it at the bottom. Now you can see sky. See, everything is different. Sky is different, mountain is different, this grass is different, and again this grass is different. Okay. I read T for opacity. Just reduce opacity of the top grass so that it looks like this. Instead of flat, this looks like this. Okay, it does match. Now here, this mountain. Okay, this mountain is matching for the sky, but grass should have a bit more green tint. So that's color correction. How to do the color correction for these layers? I'll show you that separately, or else let's work on this. Now, how to do color correction for this grass? Hope you all are able to follow me, right? Linde, Sana, Nati.
Yes, sir.
We have to do the color correction because see the sky and this mountain it's matching, but this grass it's not matching. So I'm referring to this grass. Right click, effect, color correction, curves. I'm showing the first tool under color correction, that is curves. Just click on the curves. Okay, here just reduce this. Okay, or else little blue tint, you increase little blue tint, because blue uh, kind of secondary diffuse will be there. Okay, light bounce will be there whenever a color or a light fall from here, that secondary bounce will be there. Okay, so now I copy this curve, just select and control C, select this grass and paste. Now see the difference, a minute difference will be there. This was earlier, now it's now. So it should match. So now, uh, okay, I'm just playing it over here. So it's matching. Okay, then just click on this, go to project. What else we have? We have different castle. Let us take this castle over here on top of this. So now this castle, just you have to scale down like this. Mm, let me place here, and so what I'll do, transform, flip horizontal, so that it's kind of peak over here. I can place this castle. Okay, so I need to work on this area later. Let's do that. Fine, let's see, let's work on this. Let me try which castle will match. So let me import this also. Let's see which one will match. Okay, this is a different perspective. This image doesn't match. I delete this. Okay, this we need to plan, properly. Mm, let's see. I'm just taking this image. Import this here. So what I'll do now, 3D. I was saying, okay, now again function F4 or press F4. The mode will change and it will come to these layers, this option. See F4, if you press F4, the blending mode will be there. Again press F4, you get to see the other options for layer. Now I convert this castle into 3D layer. So when you convert this into 3D layer, press P Along with x-axis, y-axis, you get z-axis also. Z-axis, I'm just making it smaller and I'm placing this here. You just move like this, so it is going towards back. Okay. Okay. So it's like this. I can create a path also here. One it's kind of a path to the castle. Okay, I have to create mountain as a 3D layer, sky as a 3D layer. Okay, sky let it be in 2D, but mountain in 3D layer. Again, select this mountain P. This has to go back behind this. Let me increase this. X-axis, y-axis. Okay, it's like this. Now castle is over here. Let's add some trees over, here and there. Okay, see this grass is here. First again, grass also will be in a 3D shape. So make it 3D. P, x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. Okay, let us flip this. Transform, under transform, you can flip this vertically or horizontally. S for scale. So I'm just placing one more over here. That's it. Okay, tree is here. Bring one tree on top of this. Okay. Okay. This I'm making this again 3D layer. P, z-axis. Just place it here. See, this castle is not matching. Let's see. That's what we need to see which one to match. Let me add this here. Just I'm going to push this and do the placement here. somewhere in the bottom, but I have to push this even more. Okay, but it should match. To match this, right click, effect, color correction. In this curves, green. Now green channel, increase more green. See, now it's matching. It's blending here. See, without this, it is like this. Okay, you observe. This is how it looks without green channel. When I turn on, it's blending. Okay. Now again, I'll select another tree. There are a few more trees. So what I'll do, this tree, bring it on top of this. This tree is over here. So again, you convert this into 3D layer. P for position. Move it a bit. So you can place this here. Move a bit again. One, you can place this here. Control D, duplicate. P. Bring this closer. This is over here. Now this one, let it go here and there. I duplicate this. Again P. One here. And I duplicate this. P. X, Y, Z axis. I'm just pushing it here and there. Again I push this. I duplicate one more time. Okay. So I duplicate this and I place this here. Bring it front. Means again you have to work only with this X and this Z axis only. Okay. See, it's like this. Okay. You can add grass again, some different kind of grass.